talking about today?
What are we talking about today? Fossils.
Yeah! Good job. We're talking about fossils. You want to write fossils? Can you spell fossils? Right. Fossils. S. S. I. L. S. Fossils. Good job. Okay, we're going to talk about different types of fossils, okay?
Use the difference.
So, we're using Dory, right?
I'm using Dory.
And you've been playing with these, so you already know how this works. We have Dory, right?
Dory.
Dory is a fish, right? So we're going to use her as an example of how different fossils can happen, right? Okay, so we have Dory. Let's say Dory is swimming.
Swimming.
Just keep swimming. Okay, so Dory's swimming in the water, right? So as she's swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming, 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 swimming. And then all of a sudden, it gets really cold. And the water freezes. What if the water freezes altogether? If the water freezes, and it saves her body in ice, right?
This is a body fossil.
Yes! That was awesome. That was perfect. You remembered from the movie, huh? This is a body fossil. Okay. So that is the exact body of Dory, right? Body fossil. You sit down. Body fossil, right? Okay. So, but body fossils don't always happen. They're actually very rare. It doesn't happen very often. Okay, you sit up. Okay. So a lot of times other stuff happens. So if Dory is swimming and she gets covered up in dirt, right? But usually when that happens, remember we talked about decomposers? Decomposers can eat the body and it leaves a hollow hole. So you have dirt over the top, but the decomposers take away the body. So the body is gone, right? So you have the body is gone. So you have this empty hole, right? Like this. You have an empty hole. What is this?
It's with empty.
That's a fossil too.
That's a fossil.
It looks like Dory,
It's also like Dory.
but her body's not there, right? So her body's not there. This is called a mold. Mold fossil, right? Because it's got the shape of her body. You can see her mouth, her eye, her fins, right? You can see Dory and what she looked like, but her body isn't there. That's a mold, right? So that's a mold fossil. Okay. And sometimes when that happens and the hole in the earth is still there, sometimes the water gets in there and it'll bring in minerals and it'll bring in more different types of dirt, and it gets really, really, really hard in that spot. And so you have basically a rock in there that is shaped like her body. So if it's a rock that's shaped like her body, like this, okay? So you've got this, so it's in
Just
here,
like that.
and then when she comes out, it looks like her, but this isn't her body, it's just a rock.
Mold fossil.
This one is the cast.
Cast
So
fossil.
this is mold.
Cast fossil.
This one's the cast. Good job. Okay. And there are other types that we can talk about that are called trace.
Trace
Right.
fossil.
So a lot of the dinosaurs and things, they had like sharp claws. Oh, sit down.
Trace fossils.
Yeah, we're gonna do a trace fossil.
Trace fossil.
So a lot of the animals had
Well,
claws.
Animals and claws.
They had claws. They had teeth. So they could leave claw marks. They could leave teeth marks. They could leave footprints. So there's lots of different things that they could leave, right? So if we're taking this, here, I'm going to take a little chunk. So we can make a trace fossil. We could either make, like, if you could make a footprint of Dory, there's her fin, right?
There's her fin.
Huh? Or Chris can
Trace
leave.
fossil.
You can make a trace fossil. Can you put your hand in there? Can you smash it? So you can see your hand in it. See, there's a trace fossil of Chris's hand. So, but it takes a long, long time. What? So, some of the dinosaurs left footprints. They left different claw marks, teeth marks, different stuff like that. Or sometimes they had, what's this? I'm totally going there. They left poops.
Poops.
Yeah. So sometimes there's a lot of information that we can get from different things. And all of these tell us what dinosaurs looked like, what they did, what they ate, and it gives us a lot of history of the world. Right? So, this is our trace fossil, right? So we're going to play a quick game, right? Okay? Just to make sure we got this. Okay, we have this, this, this. So these are our options, right? We're going to do one with this and one without it, okay? Ready, steady. Can you write down the names of each of these types of fossils on these? What color do you want? I want?
I want
What color? I want?
green.
Okay. Nice choice. Okay.
Nice choice.
Okay. You want to write them down? What kind of a fossil is this? Nah. This is Dory.
Dory.
Her actual body.
Body.
Yeah, it's a body fossil. Right? Yep, you got that one right at the very beginning. Body fossil. You don't have to write fossil on all of them though. What's this one? What's this one here?
Cast.
Good job. Okay, what's that one? You can look at these. You can look at these on this one. And we'll do it again without.
Mold.
Good job. Okay, what's that one?
Trace.
Good job. Okay, now should we try it without those? Okay, let's mix them up. I'm gonna go like this. Okay, now without that, can you put them in the right spots? Trace. There you go. job. That was quick. You got it. Was that fun?
Is that fun?
It was quick.
It was quick.
I think you got the idea too. So, and I should mention too, fossil fuels. Some of these have different fuels like coal and sometimes like gas that we put in our car. And they come from those because all the pressure that the earth puts on them, it turns it into gas and coal. So, but that's a finite thing, so we need to preserve it.